Do you already know the language selection function for your SCIX or SkyQ receivers? No? Then it's time for us to show you the whole thing. If you have a SCIX or SkyQ receiver, then you should know that it also has a language function. That means you don't have to search for a long time, but you can type in everything you are looking for here. And you can do that by holding down the blue button here and then typing in what you want, such as TV guide. And you see how cool that is. That works really, really well. And let's try it again. And you can also switch to a transmitter, namely Sky Sport Bundesliga 8. And we've already switched here and it's going really, really fast. Unfortunately, I can't switch to a transmitter like Cable One Pro 7 here for copyright reasons, but I'll show you again with a Sky transmitter, such as Beata use. And you see, he switched here in no time. I don't have to search here for a long time. Netflix. I don't think I have to say more. Within seconds I have the desired function. I think that's really, really cool. Only a few people know that. If you have any questions, then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you will be up to date. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.